eProject Builder has a measurement and verification or M&V module, which allows users to enter and view M&V data for their projects. To access the M&V module from the portfolio page, go to the dashboard of an approved project. Then click M&V on the left-hand sidebar, or click Add Edit M&V Data on the Next Steps box. As a reminder, in order to be able to add M&V data to a project, the project must first be in approved status. Typically, the project builder, who is usually the ESCO, adds M&V data, while the project initiator, typically the customer, reviews and approves the data for a given performance year. There are multiple ways that project builders can enter M&V data into the system. This video covers entering M&V data into eProject Builder using the single-year M&V upload template functionality. This single-year M&V upload template allows users to download a template specific for their project, populate it with M&V data for a single performance year, and upload it into the system for project initiator approval. The single-year upload template is especially useful if you must collect M&V data from multiple people in your organization, as multiple individuals can help populate the template. To get started using this single-year M&V upload template, from the project's M&V summary page, click Download M&V Upload Template and choose the single-year option. The ePB M&V template is an Excel workbook with 3 tabs. The first is the Summary tab, which contains project contact information as well as key dates. Notice that some key project information has been pre-populated, as indicated in the gray fields. These pre-populated fields are disabled and cannot be modified. One important thing to note is the pre-populated project ID number that is unique to this project. Each project has this unique identifier, so the single-year M&V templates are not interchangeable for different projects. For the sake of this demonstration, I've gone ahead and have entered data for many of the editable yellow fields already. You can enter data for as many or for as few of the yellow fields as you like, though there are 2 fields required for upload. First, you must choose a performance year for the M&V data. Second, you must enter the date you are submitting the M&V report. The second tab is the Verified Savings tab. The Verified Savings tab is pre-populated with your ECM information, including ID, number, and a short description. For each ECM, you can choose the current year M&V option, enter data on adjusted baseline energy and non-energy consumption by resource type, and enter verified and expected energy and cost savings. You can also choose to enter this information at the project level. Note that each row sums the ECM values of the totals at the bottom, but you can override these values if you wish to enter a different project level number. Lastly, the Savings Impacts tab allows you to enter information on lost energy and cost savings at both the ECM and the project level. In the leftmost columns, indicate the total impacts to energy savings and impacts to cost savings. Additionally, you can indicate cost savings impacts and energy savings impacts that are attributable to both the customer and to the ESCO. And lastly, you can provide information on the cause of those cost savings impacts. Like the Verified Savings tab, your ECM level values are automatically totaled at the bottom, but you can override them if you wish to enter a different value. Once you are done filling out the data template, save it as an XLSX file and do not change the file type. Once you've populated the M&V template and saved it to your computer, Return to the project's M&V module and upload that template by clicking the Upload M&V Data from Template button. Choose the appropriate file. The system will ingest the data from the template and direct you to the first screen of your new uploaded performance year. For more information on all of the user interface fields in the M&V module, please watch the M&V module training video. Your M&V year is now ready to be submitted by the project builder. Click OK. You'll see that your M&V year has now been submitted successfully and is in pre-approval status. One important thing to note is that you cannot upload an M&V template if you already have initiated that performance year and that it is in pre-approval or approved status. In order to modify an M&V year, the project builder must first request that the project initiator unlock the M&V year for editing, which they can do on the action menu. However, you can upload an M&V template for a year if you've just initiated the year and it is in pending status. Just note that uploading the data template will overwrite any data that you've manually entered into the user interface. Once you've uploaded the M&V template, you can view your annual M&V report under the action menu next to that performance year. Additionally, if you have multiple M&V years in approved status, you can view a cumulative report for your project. This report includes data on all M&V years. This concludes the training video on how to use the single-year M&V upload template in eProject Builder.